Question number 1, my mother, delicious food. B. Cooks. Question number 2, my sister, beautiful pictures. B. Draws. Question number 3, the baby, sleeping now. A. Is. Question number 4, what is the opposite of success? C. Failure. Question number 5, she, cooking dinner now. Comment your answer. Question number 6, we, breakfast at 8 o'clock. A. Eat. Question number 7, they, watching television. C. Are. Question number 8, the cat is hiding, the bed. A. Under. Question number 9, which word is a noun? C. Book. Question number 10, the bird, in the sky. Comment your answer. Question number 11, he, to London last week. C. Went. Question number 12, choose the correct spelling. A. Different. Question number 13, the girl, a storybook every night. B. Reads. Question number 14, we, football every Friday. Comment your answer. Question number 15, we, dinner at 9 p.m. yesterday. B. 8.